Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for gamers, but there are some quick fixes you can try to resolve it. Follow these steps to help lower the drift on your PlayStation 5 controller. Step 1. Clean the joystick. Use a can of compressed air or a soft brush to clean around the joystick. Dust and debris can accumulate and cause drift, so ensure you remove any particles that may be affecting the sensor. Step 2. Reset the controller. Locate the small reset button on the back of the controller. Use a paperclip or a similar tool to press and hold the button for about 5 seconds. This can help recalibrate the controller and potentially fix the drift issue. Step 3. Update the firmware. Connect your controller to the PlayStation 5 and check for any firmware updates. Keeping your controller's software up to date can resolve bugs and improve performance, which may help with drift. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In the game settings, look for controller sensitivity or dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can reduce the impact of minor joystick movements, which may help mitigate drift during gameplay. Step 5. Contact support. If the drift persists after trying the above steps, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide guidance or help arrange repairs if necessary. By following these steps, you can potentially lower the drift on your PlayStation 5 controller and enhance your gaming experience. If the problem continues, professional help may be the best option.